Hey guys, Jacob here with ePoolSupply. Today we have a Zodiac MX8 and we are going to change out the cover latch. Alright, and we're back. So the cover latch is this little yellow piece of plastic right here that pretty much latches the cover. So that would make sense. So these things do break every once in a while. I mean, you're bending a little bit of plastic and over time, if this thing breaks off, your cleaner's not gonna close. So very easy swap out. So what I recommend, open up your cleaner, or if it's missing, it's easier for you to install. But to remove the one that's on your MX8, you can either sit here and pull on it really hard, but what I do recommend is grab a little screwdriver and then you can kind of leverage it and it pops right off the front like that. And then you can just literally turn it up. And now you take your new one, put it in there, line up there's like a shaft right there with a groove spot. So then you line that up, grab your screwdriver again, and then force it on there. And it clips right on. Really easy. So, thanks for watching. That's how you install your cover latch on an MX8. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.